guys, sorry it's a bit loud, but I am in the backhoe. We're doing some earth moving. As I don't know, I've already started, so I like built. It used to be like a lot smaller than what I'm about to show you. But yeah, hey guys, it's your boy Vlog Clown here. I'm vlogging again. I really got bored and like we bring the backhoe up because we did some stuff at the other side of the farm, which is up the homestead. So now I'm using the backhoe because Dad wasn't using it because we just loaded some fert so we can fert the fields in the farm. So yes, we are doing another sort of farming, but I'm doing earth moving. So that's about the best thing about this backhoe is it actually has the backhoe, which is legit. So yeah, we have the pallets on, so I can't actually just like dig it up with the front bucket. But yeah, we're doing it with the back bucket. It's a drench, but so it's not like a mud bucket, which is like the wide one. This one's like a 6. I don't know what it is, but it's 6 something. So it's not like the mini one. It's like a trench. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. So yeah, guys, this is what I'm doing. I'm just digging a big hole. Got the boom out. Got some dirt in it, so yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy this. I actually don't have any way to set this up, so I'll probably just hold it and do some stuff. It's not as effective, but it's still good for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next clip. thinking about putting a tarp over it, like half of it. I'll have to get like a big pole and put stuff around it, but yeah. So I'm going to do that, and then like the rest open. So it's going to be so cool. It could be like a man cave, but for boys. Yeah, boys. Okay, I'm gonna do this one more scoop, and then I'll have to. It's very difficult doing this with one hand. Okay, off a bit. Trying to make sure you get all the angles, but I think next part of this video will be I'll actually go in there. I'll let the tractor idle for a bit. Because as you can see, there's a toggle. That makes the hydraulics work a bit faster. It is a bit more efficient, so I'll probably try and do that. But yeah, guys ready? Yeah, look, it's a deer. Sending it. Ah, come on. Up. And then, yeah. Okay, guys. See this pedal down here? This extends, let's see, it extends the bucket. So if I push forward, see how it goes out? Pretty cool for a backhoe. That extends out, and then, yep, as you can see, if I press, so this one tilts, and then it makes the second bit of boom go up and down, and then this one makes it go up and down at the first boom, and then it rotates the whole thing. So yeah, send it, boys. Hey guys, it is actually pretty windy, but it's a couple of days after I did the actual like backhoe digging. So yeah, the camera actually can't see, but the different like yellow textures and everything. Yes, this is the hole that I dug with the backhoe. Pretty bloody deep. I'm about there. That's about the top of it's about the highest. That's about I have it, yeah. Fair footage for like nearly half a foot or something bigger than me. I mean, that's all the way up or that way. I don't really know anymore. But yes, this is probably gonna be the end of the video, so I have to turn the camera around. I'll see you. Hey guys, it's your boy Vlogcon here, and it is the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed me digging this hole and showing you how I did it, because some people like that awesome stuff. So yeah, I actually quite enjoyed doing it. My dad was supervising me while I did it, because you know, can't do those big machinery. It's not that big, but yes, it's fairly good. So the backhoe here, I like a trench digger, which is like the one with the teeth, not the actual mud bucket, because if you can see, there's actually rocks, because like, so where I'm standing, see how that ledge goes up? Yeah, from about there, that is all just rock, and I can't dig through it, otherwise I'll just wreck. I probably could, but that'd take you for more longer. It took me like 3 hours or something to dig this. It's actually not that deep, but yes, I'm just in here making some stairs and all that other stuff. So if you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.